How to say in Japanese, which do you prefer, A or B? Which do you prefer, A or B? In Japanese, we say, which is better, A or B? A と B とどちらがいいですか? So どちら means which, and we use the word どちら when we choose two choices. Okay, so どちらがいいですか? And then when we mention two choices, A と B と. For example, which do you prefer, tea or coffee? お茶とコーヒーとどちらがいいですか? Which is better, tea or coffee? Yep. お茶とコーヒーとどちらがいいですか? So E means good. So this question actually asks which is better, but it means which do you prefer? If you love coffee, I prefer coffee. コーヒーの方がいいです。コーヒーの方がいいです。方 means direction. So this expression is actually pointed out the one choice from two choices, okay? And then point out this one is my preference. コーヒーの方がいいです。Okay? Let's speak Japanese. Okay, so please make a sentence. Which do you prefer, beer or wine? Are you ready to check the answer? ビールとワインとどちらがいいですか? ビールとワインとどちらがいいですか? And then you can answer your own preference. Yes, I prefer, for example, if you love beer, ビールの方がいいです。If you love wine, ワインの方がいいです。Thank you for watching. See you soon. またね。